be fixing another treat here. Now I'm just gonna let you know, a lot of this stuff we try to get throughout the year. Like the chocolate chips and everything and butter. We try to get some and set aside where it ain't one big expense come Christmas time. We like to fix a lot of stuff, but that way it's not one gigantic expense. And luckily we had done that, or we wouldn't have been fixing as much as what we have. Alrighty, now what we're making today is Old Bay snack mix. And in this here, we're going to be using pretzels, wheat Chex. Now the recipe actually calls for oyster crackers. We're going to be using goldfish. And then we're going to be using corn Chex, Old Bay, Worcestershire sauce, and butter. We'll combine this stuff together. Did I not say lemon juice yet? Lemon juice. Carolyn's here to correct me, folks. I'm glad she is. Hear her laugh there in the background at me. Alrighty. Let's get started. Alrighty. We've put in 3 cups each of the cereal. And folks, you can fix this however you want. Just as long as towards the end you get the same amount of stuff. Now we're getting ready to put in 3 cups of goldfish crackers. Folks, there's just a little bit left in the poke. They're going in. Like I said, folks, make this your own. Throw this away. Now, what we'll do, we'll just put a little bit less pretzels in. Now, this is the same bag of pretzels we've used for other mixes and stuff here. Oh. There we go. Now what we're going to do, we'll stir this all up, get it mixed up here, and then we'll show you mixing the sauce up that you put over top. Now right now, have your oven preheating at 250 degrees. And what we'll do, after we pour the concoction over it there, the sauce, we'll stir it up, mix it up good. We'll stick it in the oven for 15 minutes, get it out, we'll stir it up, put it in for another 15 minutes, we'll stir it again, we'll keep doing that for an hour, and then we're done. Okay, now, we've melted our 1 stick of butter. Now it's 2 tablespoons of Old Bay. Put that in there. Now, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Alrighty. And then 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Now folks, it also says you can add in there hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of that if you'd like. Once again, we're wimps. The Old Bay will be plenty enough seasoning for us. Just mix this up here good. Now, I'll get the cereal over here and we'll pour this on top of there. Let me set this back in the refrigerator to get it out of the way. See you in just a second. Okay, now take the sauce you just made and just pour it all around on that there. And then we're going to take us a spoon and we'll stir it up. All together, like I said, we'll be baking this for an hour, but every 15 minutes, get it out and stir it up like we're doing right now. In case you didn't hear me, just stir it up like we're doing right now. Alrighty folks, there we have the finished product. If you like Old Bay seasoning, you'll like this here. They've got different other variations and everything. Mom, she makes it there with the taco seasoning and all in it. And this here, it's just got the Old Bay. You've seen it there. Hope y'all like it. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you soon. Thank you again for watching.